Hello and welcome to CKE 10001's gaming channel. In this video we'll be unboxing Master Detective Archives Rain Code Mysteriful Edition, Mysteriful Limited Edition for the Nintendo Switch. So here we have the front of the box. So rated M for mature, developed by Spike Chunsoft. The corner shows Nintendo Switch. We got the sides of the box, the back of the box. Mystery Labyrinth Toward the Truth contains the Book of Death official art book, Noise of Neon official soundtrack, Shinigami plush, and Steelbook. So that's how the back looks like. The other side, nothing on the bottom, and at the top. Alright, let's remove the shrink wrap to see what's inside. Okay. Rip the shirt off there. Okay. I believe there's a slip cover of some sort. How do I just push it through here? Okay, we can remove this cardboard to the side for now. Then here's the box without the slip cover. Alright, let's open this up. Oh. Okay, let's pull this out. So we got the Shinigami plush there, rain code. Alright. The Book of Death art book. I don't want to flip through it too much because it might contain spoilers. There's a glimpse. Okay, what else do we have? Some filler. The Noise of Neon soundtrack. Back and front. Okay, box is empty now, and it has this as the remaining component. Okay, and here's the steelbook. It's pretty nice. Open that up. Alright, it's cool. And then the game itself includes digital novel code. So there's some sort of DLC code in here, but this is the front of the box. There's the side. There's the back of the box. And it should be Y folds at the top and bottom, but the bottom's a little more clear. Okay, let's remove the shrink wrap. And let's do that. How do I? Okay. Here it is again. I believe there is code. So I think this is the warranty sheet, and then the code is on the back of this piece of paper. Okay. And then inside we have alternate cover art, and then the game cards are on the bottom right. Okay, cool. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.